Hi guys, and thank you for taking advantage of the free basic membership with Online Business Plaza. I'm going to show you a step-by-step little tutorial here on how to get through to your training and get your account set up, okay, and what all you have access to. So when I give you the link, you're going to come and bring that and put it in your browser, of course, or click on it. It's going to bring you to a page that looks similar to this. In here, you want to make sure you put in your best email address that you have, that you check all the time, because we're going to be communicating with you there. It's going to have the confirmation for your account. It's real important that that's a very accurate email address. Okay, so put that in there, and then this code over here, you're going to type in what it says right here. Okay, so that one right there, we're going to type it in exactly and click on Access Now. Now that's going to bring us to a screen that's going to have you confirm your email address and set up a password. Okay, so have your password be something that you're going to remember. You want to make sure you put your name in here rather than member, which is the default. Okay, I want to know your name. Okay, back. Okay, and then once you have your email, your name, and a password. Okay, great. So you're going to get an email confirmation letting you know that you signed up, that you have, and what your username and password is. Okay, it's going to show you your password there. You're going to click on Access Content Now. Okay, so this is going to take you into my franchise website. Okay, it's going to take you directly to probably the Ultimate Traffic Training video, where it's going to explain all about the Ultimate Traffic Training. Okay, this is the first thing you need to do, is watch this video. All right, watch it in the entirety, and it's going to show you exactly what you're going to get when you get the Ultimate Traffic Training program. Okay, next thing I want you to do is go to the Home tab up here at the top. Get familiar with this back office here. Okay, you're going to watch this welcome video next. Okay, that's the next thing you do. And then you can either get to it from down below here or up in this training tab. You're going to go to the Sales Funnels Bootcamp. Okay, this is the first product that you have access to for free. All right, so when you click on Sales Funnel Bootcamp, you're going to come to a screen here, and it's going to have a lineup of 4 videos here. Very powerful videos, good content in there, going to give you a good foundation of what funnels are, what sales funnels are for your business, how important they are, and how to implement them. Okay, so the next thing you're going to go to after you finish those, you're going to go to the 14-day training HQ. Okay, and this is going to be 14 days of a boot camp training that's going to take you day by day. You're going to have an action item. Okay, you get in here, and we're going to put you to work. You're going to be able to start activating your business right away here. So day 1, getting ready for success. Day 2, leverage others' success. Day 3, you've got 2 videos here, a Facebook post and a bonus video. All right. So then day 4, accountability. Day 5 is Facebook advertising. Day 6, free YouTube marketing. Day 7 is solo ads. Okay, teach you all about paid solo ad training. All right, and then before you move on, you cannot move on to day 8 until you schedule a call with your coach. When you click on this, it's going to bring you directly to their schedule link. Okay, tell you a little bit about them. You're going to fill in a time that's good for you and schedule that and have that quick call with that coach. Okay, so they can take you to the next step on that. All right, now some other things that you can do when you're looking around in here. If you need any help, you can always click on support. That's going to give you some information in here about how to contact me. All right, here's my email address, here's my phone number. All right, so that's how you're going to contact me. Okay, so everything else you're not going to have access to because you're not yet a pro partner. Okay, so if you were to go to pro partner, go into here, it's going to have a great video in there that explains to you a little bit about what pro partnership is and what you get for that. Okay, so that'll tell you all that you need to know about that. Now let me show you something here. I'm going to show you exactly what you do get. I'm going to give you a little bonus here, and I'm going to show you exactly what you do get for your pro partnership. All right, so let me get out of here, this basic membership here, and let me just log in as me here. And we're going to jump into my back office. If first time you come in, you might have this little banner up here that gives you some action items and things like that. You can read and dismiss that. You need to check got it here so we can stay compliant with the spam rules and things like that. Okay, so once you become a pro member, all right, let me show you some everything becomes wide open pretty much here for you. And you can see that in the products tab. Okay, so we've already went through the sales funnels training. I want to show you the ultimate traffic training. Now this is a training platform that is going to blow your mind. Okay, it is complete A to Z traffic generation, targeting, social media, and niche domination training. Okay, it's going to teach you everything you need to know about every part of traffic training that you need to take your business to the next level. Let me show you all the content that's in here. We're talking about thousands of dollars worth of training in here. Okay, so modules 1 through 6 in the Ultimate Traffic Training Program. Okay, it goes over solo ads advanced, Facebook advertising, free YouTube marketing. Gets a lot more in depth than what you've had in the previous module that was in the 7-day training. Module 5 is the viral YouTube traffic. Really good stuff in there. You're going to blow your socks off on how creative that stuff is in that video there. 1 penny per visitor. Can you imagine getting a visitor to your site for 1 penny? Do that all day long, right? Module 7, it's going to be all about viral Facebook traffic training. Okay, you've got 6 videos in there. It takes you from A to Z on how to advertise on Facebook. Facebook has 2 billion users active every single day on that platform. You have to be advertising on there, and this is going to show you exactly how to do that without losing your shirt. Very easy to do with Facebook advertising. Okay. So, Module 8, YouTube and local market traffic training. I do a lot of local market traffic, and really cool stuff in there to be able to get local businesses on the first or second page of Google. And imagine being able to do that for those businesses. They will pay you every single month just to keep their business on the first or second page of Google. Have 10 or 20 of those businesses going on passive, with no activity on your part is a great sideline income stream. You've got to stay diversified. You've got to have income coming in from several different areas, and this is going to teach you everything you need to know about that. Okay. Now, Module 9, get into Instagram traffic training. Okay, this Instagram training, I was able to scale from 0 followers up to about 2,500 followers in like 3 weeks because of this traffic training right here. This is just amazingly powerful stuff. Everything you need to know that you cannot learn anywhere else. Okay, so all of that is part of the Ultimate Traffic Training program. Okay, so there's that. Easy Sketch Pro 3 you get. Okay, it's the top doodle marketing software, video creation software that you can get out there, and you've got access to that here for being a pro member. Okay, very simple to do. Watch the training video. You're going to download it to your computer, and you will have that software on your computer. You just follow these instructions. You get a commercial license, and look at all these background images and extra image packs you get with that to be able to create some really cool doodle software. Okay, so there's that. And the Ultimate Graphic Suite. Okay, this is really special. All right, with this you can create fan pages, you can create infographics, your own banners for your websites, banners for traffic exchanges. You create sales pages, video graphics. If you're doing videos, you can put some excellent graphics out there that make you stand out and recognize from the rest of the crowd. Okay, Really cool stuff in here, very creative. Okay, so the rest of this stuff is this stuff is for enterprise members only. This isn't for the pro members. It's Ecom Masterclass and the Facebook Unleashed. Okay, so that's a little bit more advanced, down the road stuff. You don't even need that right now. Okay, so when you're a pro member, okay, you are still underneath my franchise site here of Online Business Plaza. Okay, you can still promote it. You promote it. You can sell pro memberships. You sell pro membership. Pro memberships are, let's take a look here and see. I was going to raise the prices on it, but just because the sheer content in here is just unreal. Okay, here's another place that you can be booking that call with your coach. Okay, very important to do that. All right, let's see here. Oh yeah, we're in my site, so it's not going to show you how much it is. Okay, the pro partnership's $97, $97. That's all it is, and you get all of those products. You get the ultimate traffic training, all of those modules in there. You get the Easy Sketch Pro 3 and the Ultimate Graphics Suite. Okay, and the ability to promote it. Not sure what happened there. But anyway, so you can promote it and you make 50% commission. Okay, I pay you right through PayPal. So you only have to sell 2 of these pro partnerships. You sell 2 of these pro partnerships and you've broken even. You've gotten everything for free, and you can still continue to promote it. Promote it all day long. Get $50 a piece for them. Okay, so that is it in a nutshell. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'm going to be sending you a couple of emails over the next 24 or 48 hours just to make sure you're getting in here and you're getting active with it. And make sure you reply to me. Reply to me. That'll whitelist you on your emails, and none of my emails will go to spam. If you're not receiving my emails, check your spam folder. They're probably in there. Okay? Get in touch with me there. Facebook, Skype. I'm very accessible. Okay? So hope that helped get you through where you need to go and kind of show you what you have to look forward to if you become a pro member. Look forward to working with you all soon. And as always, any questions, please just reach out. Okay, we'll talk to you soon.